Hey, welcome to the Biochemistry Academy. In today's video, we'll talk about yogurt and cheese production. Now, let us begin with yogurt production. We all love yogurt, right? And because of its texture and its characteristics, that's flavor. Now, we all know that yogurt comes from milk, but how was the milk then converted to be thick and a little bit solid? That is why in this video we'll talk about the biochemistry behind yogurt production, how it was produced from milk. Now, the first step in yogurt production is sterilization, meaning that the equipment to be used needs to be sterilized. And the reason behind this is to kill any bacteria or any unwanted microorganism that is present. Then after sterilization comes pasteurization, the pasteurization of the milk, meaning that the milk is being heated to about 85 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. And the reason is also to kill any bacteria that is present in the milk. Then after pasteurization comes homogenization. Now, homogenization means that the milk is being broken down into smaller fat droplets so that they can stay suspended in the mixture. Now, after homogenization, then comes cooling. The mixture is cooled to around 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. And the reason why we are cooling down the mixture is because we are going to add our special yogurt bacteria. Now you might be wondering, why is it that we are adding bacteria when we have gone all through the effort of killing the bacteria? Well, this bacteria is lactic acid bacteria because they produce lactic acid, and this lactic acid bacteria are the starter culture, and the two species that are used are lactobacilli and streptococci. Now, this lactic acid bacteria break down the lactose into lactic acid. After cooling, then comes fermentation. And normally, fermentation takes long hours and it is kept at an optimum temperature of 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. And the reason behind this is to make the bacteria, to keep the bacteria at its fastest in converting lactose, because the sugar that is present in the milk is lactose. Now, lactose is being converted to lactic acid. Now, while this is being formed, the pH of the mixture is then dropped to around 4.4, and that is the reason why yogurts have this sour taste. Now, when this pH is being dropped, then the milk then solidifies, and then we have raw yogurt produced. Once the pH becomes low, the lactic acid bacteria stop working, because to prevent the mixture from becoming too solid, and the low pH also prevents other bacteria from entering. Solidification happens because the protein begins to coagulate. Coagulation means where a liquid is being converted into a solid or a more thicker liquid. In this process, the milk is being converted into yogurt. Then after coagulation, then comes cooling again. And now this thickened yogurt that is formed is now cooled to around 5 degrees Celsius. Then flavors can be added, and these flavors can be fruits, can be strawberry, depending on how one desires the yogurt to be. And now it's ready to be packaged and stored. Wow, delicious.
I feel like buying one yogurt now like this.
Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.